Hello guys, Vishwa here. Welcome back to our channel Design Scratcher. Today I will explain about After Effects Complete software. This is part 2 video. If you directly see this video, then you go and see part 1 video. Then you will come and see this video. I will explain. I will give for description link and I button also. Guys, without wasting any time, let's do it. We need composition, then new composition you already know. I will tell about that video starting. That new composition control and in the shortcut. Composition settings also control K means shortcut. That's set poster time. That is it's not important. A trim comp also workspace will be area. That will be I will teach about that end of the video. Set save frame as means going for file. I will first zoom for that. First I want this screenshot. Screenshot will be I need first screen frame set means going for composition. Save frame as file. Then going for current will be render for that. Okay, that photos will be changing for the top. Many presets are with the JPG sequence everything. I want JPG means click OK. Then will be output where I will do means same like that. If you knew that. If delete means later that area. Same like that. If you need for 15 seconds only, what time do? One is going for composition settings, and changing for the timing will be 15. Otherwise, what I'm doing means going for which time I want means n. N means that frame will be set at the work area will be set at. Right click, trim, come to work area means it's filter for that 16 seconds. Will be composition also set at. Will be changing for the 15 once per seconds will be changing. That's what will be shortcut for that n, and right click to trim to comp effect. Then what I'm doing means layer also new. It's a soil. Otherwise will be shortcut means here right click new. Everything is here also text, soil, light, camera, null object, shape, adjustment layer, contour of fill, Adobe Photoshop file, Maxo Cinema 4D file, everything will be here only. This is for shortcut. That's what I will going for. Here will be switching and mask also will be there. New mask will be created means same like that. Quality, switching, transform. If you know for transform, split screen, everything will be there only. If you want changing for that anchor point and rotate for that photos, video, everything means fit horizontal, fit vertical, fit to comp, fit to wide, height, everything will be here only. Opacity also will be set up, and 3D layer, guide layer, everything will be. Blending mode also here. Otherwise shortcut means going for down switch, and here also blending screen. Blending mode will be here also. Then what I do means layer also will be finished for that area. Then going for effects. Effect means effect control will be F3. Effect control it's a F3 will be shortcut. Going for 3D audio jack also. If you need for pausing, reverse, stereo, mixer, delay, everything will be here only. Blur, know about that blurring effect will be. Know about Photoshop means this also if you know. Then Mocha Cinema 4D. If you have means going for Cinema 4D, then it's directly connected for that After Effects to Cinema 4D channel. Everything in distortion this is full of effects only. If you have any kind of photos, videos, styles, everything with the styles also if you know for that glow effects, color pose, motion tile, everything will be here also. Text, time code, transition, the scale, wipe, linear wipe, everything will be here on the Unity. This is for effects, full of effects only. And animate also. Track in props, effects, see everything, the frame hold, frame velocity, add keyframe will be here only. Array shortcut also, another way also I will do that view. We will be show for everything. I mean, show hide, show rule, zoom out, resolution, everything will be here. And Windows will be important for that After Effects. If you need for any kind of, this is for effect control. I mean, if you any kind of effects will be selected, effects, you click it and effects. Going for what I will click it, color correction. I will choosing for the color correction scales. I will changing for the exposure, everything will be here. First I will cut that, means it will be gone. How to I kept for that recap for that effects control means, don't worry, click it and going for Windows effects control attack MP3. This is for that area. Click it and will be back for that effect control. This is for simple. Every paragraph preview. Paragraph will be here. Paragraph and preview will be here. We will pause, play, pause, everything will be here. Then going for tool, tracker, compositing, align, audio, info, timeline coder, everything will be here only. If you need content, our fill also will be there. Audio, info, everything will be. If you need any kind of layer, any kind of styles will be want, means going for Windows, any kind of media, elementary scope, smoother, bigger, lamp, libraries, everything, media browser, everything. If you brushes also, if you want, means going for Windows and click it, means will be added for that brushes also. Same. If you need any kind of updates, will be here only. This is for help. Then how to make that video will be cutted, everything means, and going for this is for the pre-composition. If you need for this is another composition, means I will going for right click, pre-compose, and pre-compose will be naming for that pre. It will be pre-composition pre. That move for all attributes into new composition will be most important, that to paste for another composition. Then adjust composition durations, timestamp of the select layer. If you need for this, click it, means it's going for same timing, everything will be here only. Otherwise going for double click, be changing for that screen also. This is for pre-composition. This is for if we know that create new composition. This is for create new composition. This is for proxy. That internet, if you have a media encoder, going for the changing for the resolution for that video. That's it. This is for delete, click it and delete for that area. If you need for any kind of, I will going for 10. Click it. Enter means going for 18 seconds. If you need for 8 seconds, 18 seconds, I will going for that composition, means click it. This is for 8.18 seconds, like that. This is for that frame rate. If you click it for that frame rate also will be have. Otherwise going for right click, interrupt main, and going for that using frame, everything will be here only. If you choose for everything will be here. And changes also will be frame rate also. I want 24 frame, means right click, interrupt footage main, going for 24 will be changing that frame seconds. Frame seconds means 1 to 24 frame means 1 second. That video also 1 second will be 24 frame. As 20 frame means photos. 24 frame will be connection will be 1 by 1, means that 1 seconds 24 photos will be passing through that video. That's what will be look like video, otherwise will be look like photos which is stuck video everything. Okay, it's look like 24 frame. Changing further, but use the frame rate for that file size will be 13 frame. If you want to confirm frame rate to 24, that second will be changing, that seconds will be changing. If you 30 minutes before 18 seconds 9 milliseconds. If you changing for the 24, what I do, that 13 seconds 30 photo will be changing for that 1 second, but I will changing for that 1 second to 24 frame, means will be going for extra frame will be added for that seconds. So 18 seconds will be adding for that 2 or 3 seconds will be added to 22 to 21 second. That's it. If you need, means okay, click OK and changing for that. I don't need, that's what I will click it for the cancel. That's it for that video. And guys, I will explain about After Effects complete software part 2. Guys, you didn't see part 1 video, go and check my channel. Next part 3 video coming soon. Then I guess that's it for this video. If you love this video, hit the like and share this video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, hit the bell icon and you won't be miss anything. Hope to see you on my next video. Thank you for watching, and it's always let's do it.